The major point of focus now is on the Dream project, which was conceived and announced uh, last year. But today, we are happy to announce here that the draft policy has been approved and notified. And under this DREAM, which is an acronym for Drug Reduction, Elimination, and Action Mission, which calls for a drug free Meghalaya. Drug Reduction, Elimination, and Action Mission, working towards a drug free Meghalaya. Under this mission, a mission director and his team will assist the government in coordinating the efforts of various departments which are interlinked to this issue, and also total sanction of 5 crores has been set aside for undertaking publicity campaigns and increasing awareness programs. These all will come under this mission. In brief, I can assure you that we will go all out and eradicate this problem at the earliest, because it is taking a toll on society. It is taking a very heavy toll on the safety and security of citizens,